light? Is the light on? Oh, and then now it is.
Can't you tell the light's going on off? Okay, so another go at this. What attempt is this?
I've lost count. I didn't know we were counting.
We're not. We're just bolting on.
The bike is still warm though, so it hasn't been that long.
Well, it isn't that cold yet, but it's starting to cool off, so.
Yeah. Almost time for the sweater.
Not for me. I'm not riding. Yeah, it looks better already. Ride it like this. See, those screws aren't very long, so.
Yes. But they'll have a thread or two.
We'll have a couple in there. It needs more.
Yes. I don't know if Ace has that size though. I've only seen 10.
Marshall's.
Marshall's Hardware? Where is that?
Near Mesa.
Oh, okay.
Just Google a 1224 by 5/8 inch
Okay.
screw or Allen. Doesn't matter. I gotta be careful about stripping them out. These are the short ones. The long ones I can tighten up better. Round in already. There we go. Look at that. It's almost like it works now.
And now, cover
That
it
is
all
a
up.
Piece of crap air filter.
Yep, make it flow really good and then cut off all that flow with that nice air filter.
That is horrible fucking air filter. Where'd you get that pile of crap from?
I think V-Twin gave it to me. Yeah, I was running this one. This is his. I was running really good, but he wants it back. So we're putting on put all my guts into a different body. And I mean, I was doing like over 90 on the way here and it was running really good. So
shit, dude.
We'll see if I can do that on the way home.
Yeah.
I don't know. Bike's running good though.
Hell yeah, dude. That's awesome. The trans is flowing good?
Everything's good.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, now I just need to go ride with you guys.
Yeah, dude. Absolutely.
I don't have anyone to ride with. This bike is exhausting to ride by yourself all the time. It's fun, but exhausting.
Yeah, it's always nice to have people around.
Ah.
How long's that been on the shelf?
Some kind of filter element. It's filtering out all that dust, the cardboard.
That's been on the shelf for a lot of years.
Oh gosh.
There we go.
Yeah.
Listen.
Now I'll actually get to use that filter oil I bought so many years ago.
Yeah, give it a spray.
Just take filter oil.
No, they don't?
I don't know.
I think they do.
I think they do.
I think that'll fit just fine.
Doesn't quite fit there.
Oh my.
Doesn't quite
It's
fit.
like it's almost fits perfect, Tatro.
Here to this.
A little bit undersized there from there.
This to that.
I think V-Twin maybe cheated on the airplane down there.
I know, they didn't give me bolts, they didn't give me a freaking filter.
That's unusual for V-Twin. Normally all this stuff is perfect. It's better than OEM even.
We believe you too.
What'd you say?
We believe you. Damn it.
I know, that stupid screw, it wasn't working even before we put that thing in there.
Was the thread off?
I don't know.
There you go.
Just a tight squeeze.
Needed Tatro's dainty fingers.
It's not
Delicate touch.
dainty. I actually know what I'm doing. That's the problem.
Wait, it's good to know what you're doing?
And have dainty.
And have dainty fingers.
I'm not sure if that filter's doing anything right now or not, because it has to switch itself to fit with time.
Looks like it fits good.
Looks like better little scratch he put on there. Look at that.
That's from the
That's
bag.
horsepower.
Doing on the ground upside down like you always do.
Okay.
I saw you putting tools and nuts in that thing.
You could put this on there. It's custom.
So now we're going to start booting it again.
Yep. Where's the screwdriver at?
Booty, booty. What boot? What boot?
This one.
Oh, so you kick it.
Gas is on. Try it. 1.
Did you choke it?
Oh shit, I didn't choke it. Okay.
Now, if you put a piece of baling wire on there and lay it out the side over there, you can yank on it.
And pull it out. Yeah.
Choke's off or on?
It's fully on.
Okay, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet.
It's wet?
I'm getting wet.
Okay, so we got gas in there.
Problem is choke getting it back out.
Here, I know how to do it. I did it earlier. Takes my dainty fingers.
Man, I can't get behind there.
My dainty fingers don't do it anymore. It's too tight. That's what happens when you have a choke that really works.
Can I use some of these wrenches?
I don't know. I thought I was using them.
Are you?
Yeah, no.
You can use whatever I got in my box here, and whatever, that's all mine too. See.
Okay, choke is off.
All right, ignition is on.
Contact.
Retarded.
Yes, you are.
Throttle slightly open. Oh shit. It's broken. Is ignition on?
Gas on.
Yeah, gas is on.
Runs great. I farted at least.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh, ran one part.
It's backfiring. Okay, try it. Give it full throttle. Run.
Huh?
Yeah. Taking it. free play. There's no free play in your throttle. It's solid. See how there's no free play in it?
Oh yeah.
So you need to go in here and slide this housing over in your bracket a little bit.
What do you mean? Oh, this guy.
We need free play, so you gotta loosen this up, slide the thing over another 1/16 or 1/8 of an inch. You have over a 1/2 inch of free play adjustment here if you use it.
Okay.
The problem when you put together, you didn't leave any free play. You got it bottomed out. You pull it tight and tighten it, so now it's too short. So you either got to slide your clevis off the cable on that end, or you got to slide this housing in a little deeper.
Okay.
So it's probably easier just to slide the housing in a little further.
All right.
So if you shove that in a little bit, it'll get better. So I don't know how many turns out we are right now on that main jet, but I went in about a 3/4 of a turn in. We came back out, so we're over here now. We were doing quarter turn increments when we were testing the throttle. So you have to turn that right there to see what it is. So if you go in here,
Stupid, dumb, thick fucking frame.
you got quarter,
My shit's we can make brackets. Yeah, we can make
3/4. There's one turnout.
Random frame brackets.
There's a quarter.
I mean, either that or I need like a fork bag or I need something on the front frame. Or
Okay, we're 2 turns out.
Yeah.
When you have it's nice.
2 full turns.
Because
2 full
I
turns.
love mine before
Okay.
I lit on fire. Wait, what? I have the same. He bought his bag because I had the same bag.
Turn.
Lit on fire and we had to pee the fire out on it. That's right.
Pee the fire out?
Correct. That's the only way to do it, dude.
Okay, so we're 2 out
Pour
again.
gas on it or pee on it.
So if this is really where it wants to be,
Yes.
we need to pull the carburetor out and we open up that jet, probably another 5 or 10 thou down below. But you gotta see if that's actually where it wants to be after everything breaks in.
Okay, so go ride it.
Okay,
You
so,
guys conveniently published your timing video
so
the day I was trying to time my panhead.
Oh,
That
sweet.
worked out real well.
Cool.
Yeah.
I don't know if we actually gave timing dimensions, but
No, it was enough.
Nice.
all
was
we
good
need.
enough.
Yeah, that's all you
It
take.
was enough to start my pan.
What year is it?
40.
So we got a
Sweet.
half.
This is 52.
Sounds good.
We're half a turn out.
I watched and learned how to put helicoils in, all the fun shit.
Yeah. I've been the
So how are we?
expensive.
So we have only half a turn out. Is the choke on right now by chance?
No.
I've been watching him play with this thing for a while.
Yeah.
I dig it.
Choke is fully out.
Yeah. Well, I've only got half a turn.
Wait, Tatro has YouTube videos?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were half a turn out.
Weird, right?
I think a little bit more than a half, but
I guess that's what it wants.
it needs to be over here, so we maybe a half a turn. Yeah, we're half a turn. That's
Oh.
not very far.
That's what it wants, though.
It wasn't Mrs. Walker sex tapes.
Well, I put an air cleaner on it, so that's why. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's that velocity
Helps.
stack that's.
I noticed it was running a lot better with
Yeah,
that
weird.
You like the
Put an
the
air
stack
cleaner on
now?
it, runs better.
Well, you put a velocity stack in there
inside the air cleaner.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
too. See the startup.
Start it.
Move your jacket out of the way. Put a hole in the
Catching
damn
all the
thing.
oil from getting on your driveway, Tatro.
Yeah, I can see it's really helping.
Is that different
I'm just trying to
carb
be
or same
respectful.
carb?
Different carb.
Yeah, so it seems to be
Started
starting.
right up.
Well, we adjust the carburetor now. Is it hot?
Yeah.
That
hot
makes a
start.
difference
Hurt,
too.
didn't it?
Okay, right around like that, see what happens. So that's the same carburetor guts, but different body.
So 2.5 carburetors later.
Yeah, that's the other carburetor we was using before.
Stinkert.
So we still got some fine tuning to be done on it. All right, that's it for tonight.
Close up.